Learn English through jokes. Funny riddles. I see an ocean, but no water. Where am I? In front of a world map. Where do you go in, through one hole, and come out through two holes, at the same time? By putting on your trousers. Peter's phone fell into a big mug of coffee, but didn't get wet. How was this possible? It was coffee powder. What is dirty after washing? Your bath water. What hard rock group has four dudes, but neither of them plays a guitar? Mount Rushmore. A man on a flat soccer field kicked a soccer ball 40 feet away. The ball came back immediately at the same speed. No one else, and no object have been involved. The ball didn't touch anything on its way. How did the man do that? He kicked the ball up in the air. The more you take from me, the greater I become. What am I? A hole. I move at a tremendous speed, as fast as a car, and yet I'm always at the same place. What am I? A ventilator. I have four legs, but never run. What am I? A chair. Do you know what you can hold, without ever touching it? A conversation. How many sides are there to a circle? 2. The inside and the outside. The harder you hit me, the greater I become. What am I? A crater. What can answer in any language? What can speak without a mouth? What can sing without an ear? An echo. What's as big as an elephant, but weighs 0 kilograms? The elephant's shadow. What has a tail, and a head, but no body? A nickel. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.